Alright, so I'm trying to change my trans fluid out. Spoon Diff clutch style. I think it's a 2A or 1.5. The clutch is on the inside. I had the Honda manual trans fluid and a tube with this one in it before, and it did not fix the clunking noise when you turn from the diff not disengaging. So I'm going to try the synchromesh manual trans fluid and one of these. Not too sure which one yet. So think I'm gonna try this one for now. They're both the same 4 ounces. So if this one doesn't make that spoon diff a little more quiet, then maybe in a week or two I'll probably change it to this one. Let's see. It says this little container treats up to 4 quarts. So that's 3 quarts of fluid in this GSR trans. See if that works. This mixture with the synchromesh and whatever modifier I used, pretty well so far. Friction modifier works really well. Usually where I would make turns on with the fluid I had on in the trans before this one, it's super quiet. So I give that synchromesh a thumbs up.